Okay, welcome students. Today I am starting with third chapter of maths, that is indices and cube root. Okay, I hope you have started this. Okay, I didn't get any comments about science, which next chapter you want. Anyway, today I am starting with this indices and cube root. Okay, please write comments, share, okay, and subscribe. Okay, laws of indices. Okay, indices, any power. Okay, some base, suppose 3 raised to 5. So 3 is a base, 5 is its index. So study of those powers. 3 raised to 5 means 3 is 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So for that laws, 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 7 is 3 raised to 12. 5 plus 7 may 3 into 5 into again 3 7 times. So 3 how many times? 12 times. Just 3 raised to 12. See, first laws of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n. A is any number, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. M is power, m and n are powers. A raised to m into a raised to n. Directly a raised to m plus n. Simply, for example, 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. 3 5 times, 3 2 times, multiplication 3 7 times, right? 5 plus 2 is 7. Understanding? Second law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Okay, sometimes you write upon also, this upon this. Is a raised to m minus n. Getting? Suppose a 5 times, m is 5, n is 3. A is 5 times divided by a is 3 times. So cutting over upside down. So what is remaining is the subtraction. 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9. So 3 raised to 7 minus 9, that is 3 raised to minus 2. M minus n. Understanding? Next law, a into b bracket raised to m. M is given to both a as well as b. A raised to m into b raised to m. Similar, for example, 5 into 7 raised to 2. 2 will go to 5 also, 7 also. 5 square into 7 square. But next law, a raised to 0 is 1. For example, 5 raised to 0 is 1. Whatever 7 raised to 0 is 1. Whatever big number raised to 0 if comes, answer is 1 directly. Okay, negative power you can change to positive power by taking reciprocal. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So 5 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 upon 5 raised to 3. These are sums given to practice. A raised to m bracket raised to n. Here multiplication, a raised to mn. And suppose 3 raised to 4 bracket raised to 5. 4 into 5, 3 raised to 20 it is. Understanding? A upon b bracket raised to m. The m will go to a as well as b. That is a raised to m upon b raised to m. 5 by 7 raised to 3, it is 5 raised to 3 upon 7 raised to 3. A upon b raised to minus m. Minus m you can make to negative power, you can make to positive power by upside down. B upon a raised to m. A upon b raised to minus m equal to b upon a raised to m. Suppose 5 upon 7 raised to minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 5 raised to plus 3. Getting? A raised to 1 is a. Only one no need to write. 5 raised to 1 is 5, for example. These sums are given for practice. Okay, not exercise, just for revision practice. Okay, can come for 1 mark. Understood? We'll go ahead. Okay, exercise 3.1 is very simple, just 1 mark sum. But see, express in the index form. You have to express in the index form. One number is given. 5th root of 13. Root 13. 13 raised to 1 upon 5 is so simple. Well, 30 raised to 1 upon 5 is 5th root of 13. 6th root of 9. You tell me 9 raised to 1 upon 6. Square root of 256. Square you just write to 256. raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. Cube root of 17. Yeah. For square and cube it is like this only, 17 raised to 1 upon 3. 8th root of 100. 100 raised to 1 upon 8. 7th root of 30. 30 raised to 1 upon 7. Understood? So simple. Write in the form of nth root of a. Now this is given, you have to write this form. If in first part this was given, you have to write in this form. See, write in the form of, so first sum is 81 raised to 1 by 4, that is 4th root of 81. 49 raised to 1 upon 2, square root of 49. 15 raised to 1 upon 5, 5th root of 15. 512 raised to 1 upon 9 is 9th root of 512. Fifth sum, 100 raised to 1 upon 19, 19th root of 100. Simple. 6 raised to 1 upon 7, 7th root of 6. Okay, this is not enough, you have to practice more. Okay, get workbook or self-study. Practice more sum. This is very easy at scoring. Okay, you can score full marks if you decide. I am there now. Whatever difficult you write down. Write in the comment box. I will explain in the next video or practice videos. Okay, I am there to help you. We'll go ahead. Write down. We'll go ahead. Okay, 3.2. This exercise is also very simple. See, just express power of the root or root of the power. See, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. Numerator is 4. 4 is power, 5 is the root. You can write as 4th power of 5th root of 45. And reverse way, first root, root of power, 5th root of 4th power of 45. Same thing, for 1 mark you have to express properly. Numerator is power, denominator is root of index. Okay, 81 raised to 6 upon 7. So 6 is power, 7 is root. 6 power of 7th root of 81, or reverse way, root of the power, 7th root of 6 power of 81. Whatever is asked, in that style only you have to write. Power of the root or root of the power. If root of the power, root first, power second. If power of the root, power first, root second. 100 raised to 4 upon 10. Don't cut वगैरह, same thing you have to write. 4th power of 10th root of 100, or this way 10th root of 4th power of 100. Understand the style. 21 raised to 3 by 7. Yeah, both are same thing. 3 is a power, 7 is a root. 3rd power of 7th root of 21, or this way root of power. 7th root of 3rd power of 21. They are same thing, but writing style is different. If they ask in to write in this style, if you write this style, gone, wrong. Getting? So write in the form of rational indices. Now this or this is given, you have to write in the form of indices. So simple. Square root to 2 will be in the denominator. 5th power, 5 will be up, of 121. So 121, 5 up, 2 down. Root is down, power is up. Cube of 4th root of 321. Cube, that is a power. 4th root, so 3 upon 4. 321, 21 raised to 3 upon 4. 5th root of square. Square to 2 power is up, 5 is down. 364 raised to 2 by 5. Cube of cube root of 3. Just cube and cube root. 3 up, 3 down, 3 raised to 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 is 1, 3 raised to 1 is 3, but still it's okay to write up to here. Okay, more practice you need of indices. We'll do that. First you understand the chapter properly. You have done most of the things in 7th. Okay. Any doubt you write in the comment box. These are very simple 1 mark sum. We'll go ahead. Oh, okay, exercise 3.3, very simple this is. Find the cube roots of, few numbers are given. What you have to do is you have to factorize total. Full factorize with prime numbers only. Okay. So after factorization every number must be prime. For 3 same number you can take 1 number for cube root. Okay. Example, I am showing you 8,000 first number. Factorize 8,000. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now this 3 2 1 2. 3 2 again 1 2 and 3 5 again 1 5. Okay, so 2 2 5, 8000 cube root is 20. Understood? 729, factorize. If this is difficult, you can factorize vertically also. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So there are 6 3s. For 3 3 1 3, another 3 3s 3. 729 cube root is 3 into 3, 9. Finish. 343, direct prime factor, 777. For 3717, answer 343 cube root is 7. Minus 512. Okay, cube root of negative number is negative. Okay, cube root of negative, don't forget this. Minus 512, so cube root must be minus only. Factorize. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, 3 2 1 2 3 2 3 2 2 2 2 minus 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8, simple now. Minus 512 cube root is minus 8. Minus 2744, okay, factorize. Minus, this is so again minus. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2's, okay. 77737, after factorizing you get. So minus 27744 cube root is minus 2 into 7, minus 14, answer. 32768, Bapre, go on factorizing. 2 15 times. 3212, 3212, 12. So there are 5 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32. So simple, right? Question 2, simplify. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Factorize inside cube root sign. 27 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. No common factor cutting. For 3 3 1 3 can come out. For 3 5 1 5 can come out. 3 upon 5 is the answer. So simple. Cube root of 16 upon 54. Okay. We will factorize. 16 is not a perfect cube. 54 is not. Factorize 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 54 also factorize 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 common factor cutting. Okay. Now for 3 2 1 2 can come out. 3 3 1 3 can come out. Answer 2 upon 3. Simple. Okay, this is for in case of decimal point, if you know, see cube root of 729 is 9. Now cube root of 0.000729. See, there are 6 significant figures after decimal point. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. There should be 2 decimal points. So 9, so 1 more 0, then point 2. 6, after point 6, after point 2 digits. Significant. Got this? Very simple. You need more practice of such sums. Okay. If you find some part difficult, okay, you can join my online class. Okay, WhatsApp number provided. Okay. And if you like, give like, share and study together. Getting? If I get more viewers, I can have live class of 8th standard. Okay, go to playlist, personalized for 8th standard. Okay, right. See you in the next video. Bye.